Hello everyone, hope you found it doing great. I'm so glad, I'm so happy to see you all once again. Of course, today we're going to discuss about what is wireless access point and how we can configure wireless access point with more details. We're going to deep dive into the wireless access point and so on. The first thing is when you notice or encounter a wireless access point, or how you can recognize how uh, you know that this is wireless access point. Here is an example. Look at the behind wireless access point. This is the behind wireless access point. Exactly behind the wireless access point. And I want to share behind wireless modem. Guys, remember that? So this is the behind wireless modem. So if you look at here, this is behind a wireless modem. How many ports you can see in here? One, two, three, four, 5 port, including coaxial cable, 6 port, and 7, 8, including 2 USB port. This is called a wireless modem, and this is called a wireless access point. So now, as a technical person, those who are joining this course, so uh, so my main focus is to gain as much knowledge as it is possible, especially in wireless technology. So it is very hard. I've seen some of the technical people, believe me or not, if you ask them, hey, which one is wireless access point, which one is wireless modem, they will a bit confused. They say, well, I have no idea. Search which one is access point, which one is wireless modem. So now the good point, the plus point is that you got this course and you found that the very simple step is that you can easily find that wireless access point mostly come with the one interface port. This is only one interface port. Remember that. So if you if one side of this cable is connected to the switch and another side of this cable is connected to the wireless access point, then in here it means you are able to use a wireless access point. So this was a brief thing. In order to reset factory default, this is another thing, because most of the time, as a technical person in a production, I told you, because I am a person who are spending more than a decade in information communication technology, these are my daily, like these are my routine duties. I'm telling you. So the first thing you may encounter is this access point, and the second thing is that this is how you can reset a wireless access point. Most of the wireless access point does come with a specific button, or if you remember with the wireless modem, so if you just hold it for 30 seconds, you can reset the wireless access point as well. This is how you can reset the wireless access point. All right, what makes difference between wireless access point and wireless modem? Because we discussed about wireless modem, and now we're gonna discuss about wireless access point. Wireless modem is, we can say, this is layer 3 protocol of OSI model, because with the help of wireless modem, guys, if you remember, we were able to create a DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. We were able to do some firewall like troubleshooting. We were able to do a lot of things, including so I can say MAC filtering, because MAC filtering is layer 2 protocol of OSI model. But so far, access point is layer 2 protocol of OSI model. Remember that. And the terms of data communication, remember that. I have very specific class which is called Network Plus. If you're a big fan of to know the foundation of network, go ahead and watch and get that course as well. But in that class, I have mentioned about the data communication. Remember that, guys. I need your attention into the nutshell. Overall, we have two types of data communication. We have a wire and wireless. We have a wire and wireless. So wire is cable, and wireless is, these are the wireless technology. In the terms of wireless technology, in order to access, here's the thing. This very short definition of wireless access point. In order to access our internet, for example, if I want to connect this cable to my computer, I am able to access the internet through the wire. This just was into the nutshell, very simple. If I want to plug this, it's RG45 connector to my laptop, I am able to access the internet. I'm sure you guys are witness of these cables. This is Cat 6 or Cat 6A cable. This is a cable. One side is the switch or the wall jack, and another side is connected to my laptop, and I am able to access the internet through wire. Very some. I need your attention. If you're confused, you have to re-review this class or this clip, or we can say this lecture. If I connect this one to access point, what gonna happen? The same internet that I used to access through my laptop, now I'm able to access that internet through wireless. Long story short, I mean, I believe so now. Most of you like, oh, I got it. It's a light bulb moment. I got the key. Exactly. This is the key. There is nothing behind this one and this one. Do you want wired or wireless? Ask the person. What do you want? Do you want wired internet or wireless internet? If they ask wireless internet, you need to purchase wireless access point because with the wire you have internet already. This is we can say into the natural of information. On top of that, we can say wireless access point is layer 2 protocol of OSI model. It's based on the framing because we can do MAC filtering, we can do a lot of things with this one, but we cannot configure any DHCP. I am a witness of some of the access points. Now they come with the DHCP configuration and so on, but so far this is layer 2 protocol of OSI model. We just need this one to transfer, or we can say this is another way that we can access our internet using wirelessly instead of wire. All right, so I don't want to eat up you guys time, so I think it's very brief. What I'm going to do is that if you are a big fan of to know with more details what is wireless access point, I will find a very prestigious link and I will put it in the description. Go ahead and search and gain a knowledge of that one as well. But so far, as a technical person working in the production and interview and preparing yourself for exam, what I have explained, this is the natural about a wireless access point. Let's dive into wireless access point, how we can configure wireless access point, and so on with more details.